What's up, food lovers? So, this episode is all about collaboration. Yes, from me to my boy Kevin, Trap Bistro. Go check him out. I'll have the link up above and down below in the description. He's gonna be chopping up some shrimp, ceviche in his kitchen, and it's gonna be delicious. So let's go. Let's go. Go. Just go. Ow.
What's up, guys? My name is Kevin, aka Big Set Trip, and I'm from Trap Bistro TV. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make naked shrimp. That's a really quick and easy shrimp recipe, but man, it's delicious. So stay tuned and check this recipe out.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
So like I said, guys, it's real easy. These are the ingredients you'll need. Some mint, cucumber, fish sauce, good amount of garlic, some red onions, lemons. It's very important to cook the shrimp. It's a raw recipe, guys, but it's like ceviche. The shrimp is cooked by the lime or lemon juice. We got a few different types of chilies here. Usually use Thai, of course, but I have habaneros and some other button peppers that's from the garden, so we're gonna throw those in there as well. I like to use the green ones because it's gonna give it a little bit of color that contrasts with the red. All right, there's the shrimp, guys. I peeled it and I deveined it. You can leave the tails on if you want, but I took them off. First step is to soak it in half a cup of fish sauce. Alright guys, you got your fish sauce right there. Pour it in. There we go. Now, I'm going to cover in saran wrap, put it in your fridge, wait about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and get started and chop up our garlic. So we got about 10 cloves. I was looking at the shrimp, and you know what? I like garlic, so I went ahead and added some more garlic cloves. Smash them first. That will help you get that flavor. Mince them real fine. This is really going to help flavor that shrimp, man. It's smelling really good already. The main ingredients of this are garlic and chilies. It's a real easy recipe. And it's like a ceviche. The lime juice will help cook that shrimp. So it's not cooked by heat. But if you ever had a ceviche, man, you're really gonna like this recipe. It's an Asian twist on it. All right, now let's get our chilies chopped up. I would say keep the seeds in. That's what's gonna give it some heat. And this dish is known for tasting very fresh, also very fiery. The green chilies add some flavor. The red ones too. And the habaneros, man, that gives you a lot of heat. Man, that's looking really good already, guys. All right, now you just want to drain that fish sauce that we added to the shrimp off. So get that out of there. Then we're gonna add our chilies, our garlic, and lime juice. These lemons are fresh from our garden as well. Just make sure you get the seeds out. Now right there, guys. Let that chill for a few minutes. Let the lime cook the shrimp there. You're gonna have a very good, delicious salad. I'm gonna show you how to stir that all up next. Go ahead and stir that up. Sure the lemon juice covered all that shrimp, and so it cooks evenly. As a final garnish, we're going to chop up some mint and mix that in too. Just roughly chopped, guys. Good, smelling good. Toss that in there. Man. All right, guys, there you have it. Go ahead and arrange it on a bed of lettuce. We got romaine lettuce here and some cucumbers sliced up. You guys can get as fancy as you want. You put lemongrass in there, put other ingredients, a little sugar some people like. But here you go. That's the basic naked shrimp recipe. Really good drinking food. Goes really well with ice cold beer.